What's up, YouTube? I got fireworks for 4th of July, and I'm gonna show you guys a mortar. I have Black Knight. I got the kit. Comes with 10 on one side, 10 on the other, which is 40 or 20. My bad, 20. And I got. It comes with 5 in a box with the 2, and there's 2 boxes in there. This one is a green pistol, red crown, and I'm gonna light it off, and it's green pistol, red crown right there. So you guys know how to do this if you guys like fireworks. This side up, pretty simple. And now time to ignite. Let's go. Alright. Green pistol, red crown. I am gonna wait for this car to pass, because just in case it comes down here. Alright, it's turning, so we're all good for lift off. Just gotta block the wind. Freaking wind, I tell you. Hold on. And now there's a car coming my way. Oh my god. Whoa. Here we go. Awesome.
There you go, YouTube.